English for Everyone. Business English. Course Book, Level 1. Lesson 38.
The staff served breakfast on the hotel terrace. Breakfast was served on the hotel terrace.
The TV was broken when I arrived. The hotel room was booked by my assistant. The Wi-Fi code is written on your keycard. A wake-up call was not offered.
A double room was requested. The rooms were cleaned this morning. The key was left in the door. The VIPs were met in the boardroom. Flowers were put in the hotel foyer.
The hotel was opened by a VIP. The car was driven by a chauffeur. The key was found by the guest. They were shown around the conference venue.
We arrived at the hotel quite late and checked in after midnight. I was given a faulty room key and had to change it. I finally got to my room about 1 o'clock in the morning. Things got better after I woke up. Breakfast was served outside on the terrace. We were picked up by the conference organizer, who had a very expensive car. He took us to the conference venue. My workshop was in the morning, and I was given a present by the organizers afterwards.
Check-in. Pick up. Fall apart. Turn on. Check out. Look around.
Hotel Sunshine. How can I help?
Hello. I'd like to make a reservation, please.
Certainly. When will you be staying?
I'm calling on behalf of my boss. He'll be staying from Friday, July 4th until Monday the 7th.
Okay. And how many rooms would you like?
Just the one, please.
Is that a single?
No, he'd prefer a double, please.
Okay, let me see. 1 moment, please. Yes, that's fine. Can I have the name, please?
Yes, it's Guy Ciccone.
And has Mr. Ciccone stayed with us before?
Yes, he stays there often when visiting clients.
Okay. Here we are. So, do you want it to go on to the FlexCore Limited account?
Yes, please.
Okay, so that's 1 double room for 3 nights, arriving on the 4th and leaving on the 7th of July. Is there anything else I can help you with?
Yes. Could I reserve a parking space for those days too?
That's no problem. Would you like to book breakfast now too?
No, thank you. He will be leaving early in the morning. He's not really a breakfast person.
No problem. I'll send your company a confirmation email in a moment. Thank you for calling.
Thank you.
What did you think of the meals during your stay?
The hotel food was prepared very badly.
Where did you have breakfast in the morning?
Breakfast was served in the main restaurant.
Were the rooms clean and tidy?
The rooms were cleaned every day.
Who reserved your rooms?
The reservation was made by my assistant.
Were the rooms nice?
Yes, very. They were decorated beautifully.
End of Lesson 38.